Now we're going. We're shooting these Aguila 22 Super Calibri, whatever the hell you want to call them, shorts. Like, fucking, you'll see.
I shoot only off the prime. I got no gunpowder.
No gunpowder, just.
I believe Calibri is Spanish for hummingbird.
Okay, hummingbird Calibri, what the hell ever, Spanish for something. I didn't know you spoke Spanish. Listen to this. That, yes, I'll even get closer. Listen. That's it.
And just shoot one through the woods so you don't hit.
Okay, through the woods. Listen.
No impact.
That is quieter than a friggin' 22 caliber pellet rifle or 177. Either one, it's super quiet. As far as power wise, when it gets done.
It'll get you.
Okay. Yeah, we just shot this board right here with it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. And it went all the way through.
I'm gonna do one more.
So, and that's just with primer now. Yeah. So, follow my fellow coon hunters and nighttime predator stalkers. That'll be a good round for y'all. And we're shooting, what is that rifle? It's Savage
Mark II.
Savage Mark II.
They won't cycle in automatic rifles.
Yeah, magazine fed. So that way you just cycle it yourself. One day y'all might even be as fast as him. Crazy. Like, subscribe, share, and what else?
Comment below.
Comment below. Yeah, that stuff. Oh yeah, also we're sponsored by Bud Light.
And CCI.
And CCI. And Ruger. And Marlin. And Savage. Hell, we're also sponsored by Train. Yeah, that's where our stand we're using for everything.
Like a train.
Yeah. Hard to stop a train.